Welcome back, guys. So today on this video we're talking about Chase Bank, and more specifically this is an updated video on the walkthrough on how to deposit a check or a money order into your Chase mobile app. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, I did another in-depth video on that shows you how to deposit a check into your Chase app. Actually go through the complete process. I'm not depositing a check today, but I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can do that on the newer version of the Chase mobile app. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chase app. It's this white and blue app right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open it now. All right, so here's the login screen. So I have an iPhone that registered my thumbprint. If not, you'll need to enter in your username and password. I'm going to go ahead and log in now. All right, guys, so I went ahead and logged in, and then here on the home screen, you can see all the different accounts that you have with Chase. So here you can see my checking account, also my savings account. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're choosing the correct account that you want to deposit your check into. So if you have multiple checking accounts or multiple savings accounts, make sure that you're looking at the right one. And you just look right here. So this is my savings, this is my checking. Make sure the last 4 digits that are showing are the account you want to make a deposit to. Once you've determined which account you want to make a deposit to, just click on these 3 little dots right here. Once you click there, then it's going to bring another drop-down menu. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked there, and as you can see, Chase makes it really easy to find where you need to deposit checks. So right here on this line, you want to click on deposit check. I'm going to click there now. Okay, so here we are on the deposit check function. So a couple of things I want to note, so be sure to pay attention. First is, I get a lot of questions asking if you can deposit money orders, and the answer is yes, you can deposit money orders, no problem at all. The second question I get really often is, what is the maximum that you can deposit through Chase QuickDeposit? I don't know about every account, but I know about mine, and how you can find that is right here underneath this line. It says my mobile deposit limit is $5,000. So if you have a check for say $7,000, you cannot deposit through mobile QuickDeposit. Chase QuickDeposit will just let you know you've already reached your maximum threshold, so that check must go to the ATM or into the brand. Now, if your limit is different than mine, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But I just have a regular personal account Chase, so your limit might be different than mine. Also, the third question I get really often about Chase QuickDeposit is, what do you write on the check when you're finished? Once you deposit the check, usually what I'll do is I will keep the check, don't shred it, don't throw it away yet unless there's any kind of issues. And on the front of the check, I'll usually put today's date, usually up on the top towards the address where the person who sent it to you, their address is on the top, usually on the top left. I'll just put today's date because that's the date that I deposited. And I'll also put DPSTD for deposited, or you can just write deposited. That way I know that I've already run it through the Chase QuickDeposit, and that way I don't accidentally deposit it 2 different times, because that can be a problem. Also, on the back of the check, you will want to sign the check however you normally sign it with your Chase Bank, as if you were going into the bank to deposit it. Now, as far as writing today's date and deposited on the front of the check, you want to wait until after it's deposited, so that way it's not included with the picture that you're going to be including. So going back to the functions, what you want to do is go ahead and just type in the dollar amount right here. So let's just say that we're depositing a check $250. You can use the decimal point right here if you have less than $1 that you're going to deposit in. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on done right here. Once you've done that, go ahead and confirm the dollar amount right there. Match this up with the check that you're going to be depositing. Once you're done, you want to click on this camera button right here at front. I'm going to click there now. All right, so here is the camera function. You'll want to go ahead and switch it over to the side, and basically you're just going to keep moving the camera back and forth until it automatically snaps a picture of the check. Once that happens, it's going to prompt you to switch the check over and then write signature on it. Now, as you can see right here, Chase will let you know if the auto capture doesn't work. So this is going to come popping up, and then you can choose to capture the picture image manually, or you can try auto retry. Also, another thing I want to note is, once you've taken a photo of the check, it's going to give you a confirmation of the routing number and account number. Now, the Chase QuickDeposit system is really good. Usually it comes out correct on the routing and the account number. However, sometimes you do need to correct that information. So before you click submit, make sure that you verify the routing number and account number on the check that you're depositing with the information that shows up on your Chase QuickDeposit. And another thing I want to bring up is, a lot of people wonder when the check is available. In my experience, that's going to depend on your banking history with Chase. So usually when I deposit a check today, the money is usually available tomorrow, as long as it's business day. If I deposit a check on Friday, it's usually not available until Monday. However, if I deposit a check on Monday, it's usually available on Tuesday. But I'm not sure about everyone's account. If you have a different experience with that, be sure to leave a comment below. So there you have it. That is an updated version on how to quick deposit check through the Chase mobile banking app. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest know, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.